So hello guys and welcome to MaX tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to create the light bulb, but this is not just normal light bulb, this is old one. As you can see this image, so this is the Edison Watt E26 model, and this is the reference what I will use for modeling. Also I have several pictures here. We can check how it looks from other positions, and also I have the info about dimensions and color of light and other stuff. So you will find the link in description, and this is the site where I find this. It's actually Amazon, and this is the light bulb, and this is the pictures what I've downloaded. So yeah, let's start. Before all, make sure open your customize and go to unit setup and make sure you have selected metric and centimeters, and after that press OK. Now let's first set our reference image. So let's use plane and just create one simple plane, which width, length and width segments is only 1 by 1. Okay, now we need to see the dimensions of a picture what we will use for reference. So let's see, 500 by 500. So let's create same here, and now let's hold and drag it, select. Okay, let's change this from wireframe to smooth and highlights. We don't need the grid. Oops, wrong button. Okay, now as you can see we have the size of image, but it's too big. So as you can see on image we have dimensions of this light bulb. So we need to decrease the size, and before that let's create one simple box. So on top view, just create it, no matter what's dimension. And now here let's set the dimensions of real bulb. So 6.4, 6.4 and 15. Now select move and right click here to set it to center, and press Alt X to this transparent mode, and now select this image, press R, or just select an uniform scale and rescale it. So for now we wanna make sure we have as close as possible dimensions. I think this will be okay, maybe just a little bit. Okay, maybe this is too much. Yeah, it's we need a little bit to play with the picture, but I think now it will be nice. Yeah. Okay. Now we can delete this box, select your picture and set it to center, and right click object properties, so unselect this and select freeze. Okay, now we have our reference and now we can start modeling. So I will first create this glass. This is the easiest part of this project. So let's start. Select cylinder, create one. Okay, let's decrease it and let's create it as close as possible. But yeah, I see the problem here. To fix that, we need to unfreeze this image and let it move to this side until we see the same distance here and here, and freeze again. Okay, let's increase a little bit, and now we can use okay, this side it will be by default, but height segments let's decrease from 5 to 2. Okay, nice. Open modifier list, select edit poly and select polygon, delete top and delete bottom. Now select edge, double click, select all and move it up. Hold shift and drag. Switch to scale and now we will create this shape here. Okay. Whoops. So what we will do now, hold Control and switch to vertex and select collapse. Okay. Now again switch to edge and create this one. So I will move to this, as you can see we have here soft curve, so I will hold it to this nice straight line, and now let's create it here. And let's create a little bit this down. Okay, and now select this all, connect, and let's create 4. I think it will be okay. Select, so use element, select all, go here to smooth groups and clear all and choose one, no matter what number. And for now we will have the nice shape here, as you can see. Let's add a new modifier, it's shell, so select shell and decrease outer amount to 0.1. Now we can add turbo smooth, 2 iterations, and let's see, wire. Okay, I see concentration here, so I wanna delete this one. Select, double click, hold Control, press backspace, and now we have nice mesh. Okay, maybe I can add chamfer here a little bit. So this is by eye. Nice. Okay, and now we can hide this element. Now we can go to this downside bottom. So okay, we can create this shape from several ways. We can create it with pro boolean. Also we can create it with helix. And third, what I know is from simple plane. And the third variant, it seems much faster and easier with nice topology. So let's create it. So select one simple plane, segments one by one, just create. So width will be 10 and length will be can move it down. Length will be, let's see which is the best for us. Let's use 1.9. And now let's add length segments 4 and convert it to editable poly. Okay, now select vertex, and what we will do now, we need to create angle similar to this. And how to do that? So go here and snap toggle, right click and select edge and segments and enable it, and just enable these two. So this is spinner snap toggle. Select all segments and just move up So as you can see, we have this green line. It is straight in straight position like this vertex, so that we need. So you need just move for one level up, no more. And that's it for now. Okay, now we need to add some segments on another side, so I mean something like this. So let's use 12. This will be enough. And now next part is to add modifier. So band modifier, select it, make 360 angle, type it, and select X axis, and make sure you have unselected okay. Let's move it in front of this. Okay, this is all okay now. Now convert it to editable poly again. Select vertex, select all, and here on weld, click on this box and weld it with parameters 0.01. Nice. Okay, next part is select this line and ring, connect, with one in the middle. It's okay. No, okay, this will be okay. Now switch to uniform scale and choose this side and move in. Okay, let's resize a little bit to see, to be as close as possible. Okay, I think this will be okay. Now we can go to isolate mode. And now next part is to create upper and bottom body. So select this one edge and unselect these unnecessary lines. So we only need this upper side for now. And create, so hold shift, move up, go here on planner, select epsilon axis, and you will have this straight position, straight line. Now we can move it down for now. So okay, now select this one and unselect unnecessary lines and create the same here. Same, make planar axis and move it up. Switch to vertex, select all and weld it. Now we need snap toggle, so right click, switch to vertex, select all vertices, down vertices, and what we need is to move up to this point, and same here to move down to this, but make sure you selected all and move down. So you see we have here yellow plus, and yeah, okay. So unselect this, again select all on weld, nice. Now let's create one connection here, so just connect, same here, connect, and now select the vertex, target weld, and weld it. Okay, now we need, so this vertex and this, go to the top view and move it to the middle, something like this. Okay, let's put turbo smooth just for first look. Also change iterations to number 2, and as you can see we need to add some chamfer here, and to fix up and bottom. So make sure you weld it, just weld it, select it all and weld, and now mostly we fix what we need to fix. Okay, now we can create, select this line, select it all, and select upper body, and same from bottom. Okay, also deselect these unnecessary lines here. Okay, Let's chamfer it. So this is with the 0.0 numbers, for example, and change it 0.02, for example, or 3 with one segment here, and press OK. Okay, now switch to vertex mode, select these two and collapse. Same situation is here. So let's collapse it. And now we can, let's see how it looks. So it's not bad so far. Let's create this bottom. Let's finish it. So edit, switch to lines, and let's go to the front view and unhide all. We don't need this. Selection. So we can, I think, something like this. Yeah. For now, we're just trying to keep position, finish this bottom. And now switch to and select edge, select bottom, unselect other lines, and make sure here it's unselected. Okay. Now this will be from I. So hold shift, move down. And one more time. Rescale it a little bit. Again. So I'm just apologize about this. And now here, something like this. Scale. And again. Rescale. Rescale it, hold Control, switch to vertex, and collapse. And again, select edge, select this line, and little bit move down to down. And I think now it's this is okay. Okay, now as you can see, we have something like a edge here. If I see good, so let's try and let's see the result. So I'm selecting this line, and this and this, and chamfer it 0.02. I think it will be okay. That's okay. Now select this line and just move it down a little bit to create this nice soft and smooth curve, and this is much better. Now we can reduce position with the rescale mode, and go on editable poly, select upper line and deselect unnecessary lines, and also make sure it's all unselected. Nice. Okay, now just shift, move up to this, and as we can see here, let's find right one. So we have here this outline, so let's create it. So move up a little bit, move to rescale mode and increase to be something like this. Now hold shift, move inside. This is from I, and hold shift, move down, rescale inside, and again move down, something like this. So we wanna to create now enough space. When we go inside, we want to create some collision, so just move it down, and switch to rescale mode, little bit up, and again this is something like a chamfer. Okay, turbo smooth, select this line and add chamfer, and for now this is okay. But let's see what we have here. Target weld. Let's try with this method. So I think this is okay. So I just play a little bit with some lines here. I delete this one line. What is it was too close, so to create some chamfer, and same here. So I think now it's better. Unhide all, and my pivot is not in the center here, so this is in this part we finished the body. For now we have this nice shape, and in next part you will see how to create. Actually, next part we will work with inside elements, and yeah, that's it for now. So thanks for watching.